The President is delighted with that latest ranking of the Philippines in relation to its upholding the press freedom. Okay, it shows that the President respects one's right of expression and the responsible journalism. So maganda pong ito po ay maganda po na naipapakita ng Pangulo na the President is not gearing towards dictatorship. Malaya po ang pamamahayag na nakikita po natin sa kasalukuyan. Noong pa pong 2024, ipinangako naman po ng Pangulo, and I quote, ang sabi po ng Pangulo, "Be assured that we are doubling down on our commitment to protect our journalists and to uphold press freedom. We stand with you, hand in hand, in this fight." So hanggang ngayon po, 2024 po yan sinabi ng ating Pangulo, at ngayon po ay nakita niyo po ang nagiging resulta.